But you have to consider, that is not true. We need to look at the global impact. But you cannot ignore our perspective. Let's find some common ground. We must have mutual respect first. China has the most patents, so China is automatically the most innovative country in the world.
My country is more innovative because America has built one of the strongest startup and research ecosystems in the world. Silicon Valley, major universities, venture capital, and private technology companies have created countless breakthrough technologies.
Wrong. Skiption. Wrong. China invented basically every modern technology. America just copied everything from China.
That's an exaggeration. China has made enormous progress, especially in manufacturing, telecommunications, electric vehicles, batteries, AI research, and patents. But saying China invented everything is simply not supported by evidence.
China has the most patents, so China is automatically the most innovative country in the world.
Not necessarily. Patent quantity and innovation quality are not the same thing. Patent statistics need context, such as international patents, citations, commercial impact, and breakthrough technologies.
China has more scientists, more research papers, and more patents. Therefore, America has no advantage anymore.
China is extremely strong in research volume. Recent data show China leading in research publications and patent grants in several areas. But the US still has major strengths in highly cited research, private sector R&D, venture capital, and notable frontier AI models.
But China has already beaten America in every technology.
That's another false claim. Technology leadership depends on the field. China is extremely competitive in areas like batteries, electric vehicles, manufacturing, and many forms of AI research. The US remains exceptionally strong in software, frontier AI development, biotechnology, aerospace, and startup innovation.
China's technology is better because China makes more products.
Manufacturing scale is important, but manufacturing more products doesn't automatically mean inventing more breakthrough technologies. Innovation includes scientific discovery, engineering, commercialization, entrepreneurship, and the ability to turn ideas into new industries.
America only became innovative because it stole technology from other countries.
Every major scientific ecosystem learns from international knowledge. China does too, and that's not automatically a weakness. In fact, innovation often happens when researchers combine knowledge from different countries.
So you're admitting China is better?
No, I'm saying the evidence is more complicated than "my country is greatest." According to WIPO's 2025 Global Innovation Index, the US ranked third globally, while China entered the top 10 at 10th. China was particularly strong in knowledge and technology outputs. The US was especially strong in business sophistication, corporate R&D, startup funding, and innovation clusters.
But China has more patents than America, so China wins.
China does lead in the number of patent applications and grants. That's a real strength. But patents alone don't decide who is more innovative. For example, in AI, Stanford's 2026 AI Index reports that China leads in publication volume, citations, and patent grants, while the US produced more notable AI models in 2025.
So you're saying both countries are strong?
Exactly. That's the logical conclusion. China is a technological powerhouse and has rapidly closed the gap in many fields. America remains a major global innovation leader with exceptional strengths in frontier research, entrepreneurship, venture capital, software, and commercialization. So the real question isn't simply which country is greatest, it's which country is leading in which technology.
I still say China wins everything. And I still say, bring the evidence, not the slogans.
And I still say, bring the evidence, not the slogans. Narrator America and China are both innovation giants, but their strengths are different. The smartest argument isn't based on patriotism, it's based on evidence.